Namaskar children, welcome to geography class. You know that we were on the chapter Human Development of Book A, India, People and Economy, in which we had discussed about the meaning of human development and the area ki how can we understand the human development and what is the definition or meaning of the human development. Let's continue with the topic. So children, we had discussed about the development leads to deteriorating human conditions and result in the environment pollution, air, water, noise pollution. So these are the posing a great threat to the very existence of our society. So children, that is very important. How can we understand the human development of a country? Let's see in India what happened. So we'll start with the important part, that is UNDP report. You know that when we had discussed about the UNDP report, it's firstly represented a Human Development Report in 1990. It is published annually by the United Nations Development Program, and several amendments have been made in the indicators of the UNDP. Ki what are the indicators which are important to represent the UNDP report? So several amendments done by the departments, by the developed authorities, and then again they have decided that represent the another human development report with the amendments of these indicators. So what are the other report? Which report is represented in year 1993? Again HRD report has been represented. On the basis of that report, we have decided at least two minimum conditions should be completed. ये जो minimum condition है ये follow होनी ही चाहिए in the to show the human development of an area. What are these two? First one, you can see here, progressive democratization. In 1993 report of the human development, what they said, progressive democratization, and second one is increasing empowerment. That means progressive democratization and increasing empowerment of people are seen as the minimum condition for the human development. So it is also mentioned that the development is most important part. That means development must be woven around the people, not people around the development. जो डेवलपमेंट है वो लोगों के चारों तरफ होना चाहिए, नॉट ओनली वन साइड ऑफ द, और यू कैन से सेंट्रलाइज्ड डेवलपमेंट ना होकर लोग होने चाहिए. दिस इज रॉन्ग. When the development is in the center and people around the development, this is wrong. But the correct is, if the center is people and development is around the people, then we can say that the development is going on in the country. So what they said that there are some indicators which are important to show the development of human in an area. So in India, how can they calculate the HDR? क्या ऐसा रखा जाए कि इंडिया में ह्यूमन डेवलपमेंट रिपोर्ट को प्रॉपरली रिप्रेजेंट किया जा सके? सो व्हाट आर द फैक्टर्स और यू कैन से रिक्वायरमेंट्स टू मेक द ह्यूमन डेवलपमेंट रिपोर्ट इन इंडिया? सो व्हाट दे सेड कि एचडीआर इंडिया में ह्यूमन डेवलपमेंट रिपोर्ट बनाने का काम कौन करेगा? प्लानिंग कमीशन. प्लानिंग कमीशन विल डिसाइड कि व्हाट आर द इंडिकेटर्स, व्हाट फैक्टर्स आर रिक्वायर्ड टू मेक द रिपोर्ट ऑफ ह्यूमन डेवलपमेंट. ओके, सो व्हाट दे सेड कि विल मेक द रिपोर्ट ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ सम इंडिकेटर. और वो इंडिकेटर्स क्या होंगे? जस्ट वी हैड डिस्कस अबाउट दीज इंडिकेटर्स. इकोनॉमिक फैक्टर्स, सोशल फैक्टर्स एंड हेल्थ फैक्टर. थ्री जो मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट आपके फैक्टर्स होंगे, उसमें सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट होगा इकोनॉमिक फैक्टर, फिर आपके आएगा हेल्थ फैक्टर, और देन विल डिस्कस अबाउट द socio-economic factor, social factors. So in your textbook you can see these topics on page number 25. Okay, so planning commission को responsibility दी गई कि that means the final HDI report presented by Planning Commission of India has been calculated by taking three indicators. What are these three indicators? Economic attainment, social empowerment and health. ओके, सो ये चीजें हमें ध्यान में रखनी है, जिसमें सबसे पहला था इकोनॉमिक फैक्टर. सो दिस इकोनॉमिक फैक्टर, व्हाट इट विल से, व्हाट इज इकोनॉमी? हम कभी किसी कंट्री की इकोनॉमी को देखने के लिए वहां के लोगों के लाइफ स्टैंडर्ड, लाइफ क्वालिटी को भी देखते हैं और वहां के इकोनॉमिकल स्टेटस को भी देखते हैं. दैट मीन्स जनरली व्हेन यू आर डिस्कस अबाउट द इकोनॉमिक फैक्टर, पीपल विल टेल यू अबाउट देयर अर्निंग्स, अबाउट देयर मनी, अबाउट द स्टैंडर्ड, हाउ मच दे परचेज, हाउ मच दे एक्सपैंड. तो वो चीजें किस पर रिलेटेड है? one word, that is resource. That means प्लानिंग कमीशन सेट कि इकोनॉमिक फैक्टर को या इकोनॉमिक अटेनमेंट को लर्न करने का, उसको समझने के लिए हमें बेस पे जाना होगा. और व्हाट इज दैट बेस? बेस इज द रिसोर्सेज विच आर अवेलेबल इन द कंट्री एंड हाउ द पीपल आर यूज्ड देम. पीपल हाउ मच दे असेस्ड द रिसोर्सेज, जितने रिसोर्सेज अवेलेबल हैं क्या लोग उनको प्रॉपरली यूज कर पा रहे हैं. दैट मीन्स हाउ कैन दे अंडरस्टैंड द रिसोर्सेज आर यूटिलाइज्ड बाय द पीपल ऑफ द कंट्री. So this is the based on the GNP. GNP को काउंट किया जाएगा, then we can understand how, and we can find the per capita income on the basis of GNP कि क्या per capita income है. If per capita income has been increased, that means resources are properly utilized by the people of the country. So इकोनॉमिकल फैक्टर में ये देखा गया कि ग्रॉस नेशनल प्रोडक्ट एंड इट्स पर कैपिटा अवेलेबिलिटी आर टेकन एज मेजर टू असेस द रिसोर्सेज बेस, और यू कैन से एंडोमेंट ऑफ द कंट्री. So what happened in India? For India, it is estimated that its GDP was 32,000 crore according to the data which you can see in the book. Per capita income was 20,813 at current prices. यानी कि अगर हमने देखा कि लोगों की जो जीडीपी था, वो जो देश का जीडीपी था वो था 32,000 रुपए, यानी 32,000 करोड़. And accordingly, per capita income was 20,813 current prices के according. So look, if I am having 5 rupees item and it will increase 7. So what I can say? That means resources are used by me properly. Okay, so we can say that कि how can we know in India we are having 33, 35 union territories plus states, तो इतनी सारी लोग जगहों कैसे? It's not possible that we can reach to each and every person's house and then we can ask कि are you using resources properly or not. So that we have decided we can calculate the GNP of that area and then we can get the per capita income. If per capita income is increased, GNP is utilized by properly in that area, that means resources are used by them properly. So इसको अंडरस्टैंड करने के लिए वी हैड डिवाइडेड द कंट्री इन 2 कैटेगरीज, डेवलप्ड स्टेट्स और अनडेवलप्ड स्टेट्स. सो वी कैन से कि इन 1980-81 4,000 रुपीज जो थे आपके जो डेवलप्ड स्टेट्स थे, दिस इज द बेस, और यू कैन से 4,000 रुपीज इज द पर कैपिटा इनकम. मोर देन 4,000 रुपीज आर द यूटिलाइज्ड बाय द महाराष्ट्र, गुजरात, हरियाणा, पंजाब एंड द मतलब दे आर मोर देन दैट 4,000 रुपीज से भी ज्यादा पर कैपिटा इनकम थी इन डेवलप्ड स्टेट्स की. एंड व्हाट अबाउट द अदर स्टेट्स जो अनडेवलप्ड स्टेट्स हैं? दे आर अनडेवलप्ड स्टेट्स लाइक बिहार, उड़ीसा, मध्य प्रदेश, सिक्किम, दे आर लेस देन 2,000 रुपीज पर कैपिटा इनकम. So look at that, this kind of variation. What they said to you, it indicates that this kind of variation, what it said, it indicates that the economical condition of developed and undeveloped states are differ from each other. That means their understanding, their earnings are having the variation. You can see here. In this paragraph you can see that per capita income more than rupees 4,000 per year, and there are a large number of poor states in the country: Bihar, Odisha, Madhya Pradesh, Assam, Jammu, Kashmir. Okay, so we are having this kind of differences. Look at the per capita income of these states, like those who are not developed properly, the undeveloped states, and look at the one important part, their consumption and expenditure. Expenditure of the developed state is 690 per capita per month in the states of Haryana, Punjab, and 520 per capita per month in the states like Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Odisha and Madhya Pradesh. Look at this expenditure difference. What it shows, these variation indicate of some of the other depreciated or deep-seated economical problems. What are the problems? Definitely poverty, unemployment, underemployment, uneducation, illiteration. These are some problems. That's why this kind of difference you can see in these areas. So I hope you can understand these things. Then we'll discuss about the other term in the same factor. We'll discuss in our next lecture. Thank you so much, children.